Hey, good morning, and welcome to another episode of Motilnet. This morning, we're going to take a look at a classic company called Tupperware Brands TUP. I got a message yesterday from someone who asked me to take a look at what can we see for TUP for today. Well, I have the 15-minute chart open, and we can see yesterday was a nice move, similarly to Wednesday. And it's just been nicely parabolic move up. However, people are going to want to start taking some profit, right? So if we go from our high, which was yesterday, and we get into the low from Monday, here's our actual fib chart for the week. So the retrace zone we're looking for is around $2.16, which is almost 40% down from where it is. So I don't know if it's going to go there, but it might. It also seems like it's where it's lining up with some support area here. So not sure if this is a great area to get into a long, but let's take a look at what we can see. So if we look at yesterday's chart, we'll go from the opening 15-minute candle, high to low, turn that green, and we can see we hit the 4236 right on target, and we're playing in that zone. So what does that mean? Well, we had a nice sell-off right over here. So let's take a look at the sell-off candle after hours just to see some retrace zone. And this is looking like we might come somewhere here. You see how the 2618 and the 168 line up at $2.69. And then there's a support line from yesterday around 275. So the play, what we might be looking at, probably something in around to 289. If it holds, come back, get back to the morning high, 319, come retest around yesterday's high, something like that with a move upwards. If we're looking on the other side of things, I still think potentially you're going to have the down. If it fails, then you're going to want to hold 259, and if 259 fails, then we're getting to that 210, 212 area. The trend line is going to start coming up there. This is the 200 on the 15, so that will start making its way up. So I think somewhere around here might be a better entry if you're looking for a long. If you're looking for a short, see how $3.35 does. If it rejects again, boom, take the short, go for 2.25. You might get that 30 to 40% move. So if you're going short, anywhere between, let's say, 320 and 334, you'll probably want your stop. I mean, it's pretty high up at 375. So it's, again, this is not really the best zone to get into, but you'll still want your stop, let's say, just above yesterday, let's say around 349. If you're entering a short right now, it's currently at 320. If you're continuing with the actual trend, then you might want to wait for a long somewhere here, like we said, 288 or even down at 220. Either which way you play, have your stops in, be safe. On the daily, look at that. So this is like some powerful moves here, and it could be power of Wall Street bets. It could be a lot of things going on. Obviously, there is some type of squeeze playing, and we're right near a major support resistance area again in that 375 area. So I think that could be potential short or break. Play it safe. Have your stops. Good luck, guys.